Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the microSD card from Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. In order to do so, we will need to use the pin that is of course inside the box of the device. And now we need to take a look at the left side of the device, where over here we have the SIM tray and we have this hole. We need to place the pin inside this hole. There we go. And just push it in so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit. There we go. Once it comes out just a little bit, and then we need to use our fingers or even fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. And if you have the memory card inserted, then you can just push it from the bottom and hold it with your finger from the top as well, so that you don't just pop it out, drop it, and lose it. And that's pretty much it. Now we need to simply put the SIM tray back in. There we go. Match the holes, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.